again. What are you going to be, Nicholas, for Halloween?
Monkey.
No, what? Are you a monkey? What does a monkey say? Ooh-ha! What are you going to say at the doors? When you go ask for candy?
Thank you.
No, after you get candy, you say thank you. What do you say before you get candy?
Yeah. Chicken.
Do you say trick or treat?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Thank you.
What do you say when you go to the doors?
Yeah. I knock at the door.
You knock at the door. You practice. Yep. You knock at the door.
Practice. And then somebody opens the door.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Yeah.
What do you say to them?
What do you say to me then?
Yeah.
Her dad grabbed the candy.
Hello.
Hello. Yep.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Candy.
What do you say to get the candy?
What do you say to get the candy, Nicholas?
Yeah.
Trick or treat.
Like Aunt Byerly's, remember?
Yeah.
What did you say?
Take it to my
Yeah. And then you get put that in your basket. In your Elmo basket. Yeah. And then what do you say?
Thank you.
There you go. And you gotta go to the next house. Then you can go to the next house, honey. Okay, say bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye, camera.
Okay.